I thank the member and I call Doug Beattie.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Silence. The same silence we were subjected to for 3 years when Sinn Féin walked out. The same silence we're now going to be subjected to if the DUP don't support a Speaker. People will go cold and hungry in their homes, and from this place there will be silence. People will die on waiting lists, and from this House there will be silence. People will be desperately calling for an ambulance, and from this place there will be silence. Our children will go to school hungry. They will not be able to afford uniforms, and from this House there will be silence. The only thing that will be a constant after today will be silence from us. The rest will be screaming for help, and we will be silent. We can do something to end the silence without compromising the DUP's position on the protocol, which is an issue, if we elect a Speaker. And if we don't, silence. That same uncomfortable silence you all felt when I first stood up is what you're going to feel from this moment on, as the people of this country stare at us and we give them nothing.